Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are confused about how to approach your new home interior, you don't need to be unless you have not subscribed our channel. Interior decoration is an art that you need to understand. So keep this channel subscribed and you will guaranteed master this art of interior decoration. Minimalist bathroom ideas and styles are often precise, functional and stark. The uncluttered and neat styling is attained by reducing the majority of the decor or even using useful items to be used as decor. The end result is efficiently roomy and pleasant bathrooms. Nevertheless, many conceive minimalism as harsh and bleak. Here are a few minimalist bathroom ideas and simple bathroom designs which will enhance the appearance of your respective bathroom and allow you to love the effectiveness of minimalism too. Will you and your bathroom be the perfect candidate for a dazzling minimalist setting? Modern bathroom, in addition to minimalist style bathroom, is a great example of the interior perfection to enhance the room and capitalize on the look with a minimum of guest bathroom decor and appliances. Minimalist bathroom apartment ideas are likely to have a neat and clean look as a result of the absence of bulky material and excessive storage. Minimalism is a design that might make a bathroom interior design appear sophisticated, modern, convenient, and comfortable. And naturally, almost all of these attributes may be accomplished with the little use of accessories and furniture. It may be fairly hard to develop an area within this design since special skills are required by it to organize everything in the very best method with little use of items. Minimalism is a design that includes tough lines, shapes, and simple colors. A minimalist touch is generally added to clean surface and absence of ornamentation, sculptural collection, sleek fixtures, easy geometric shapes, sleek sculptural lines, etc. The showers and tubs are visually attractive and also, of course, enjoyable to make use of. The sole add-ons, which are generally present in the Japanese style bathrooms, are natural cotton towels as well as indirect lighting solutions. Because the minimalist design is nature-inspired, hardwood along with earthy textures of stone are standard substances for minimalist style bathrooms. When looking at color, again you need to follow neutral and calming tones like beige, white, blue and grey. When developing a minimalist bath area, skills are needed to produce a balance between what's not enough and what's way excessive. It's also about harmonizing a room and also producing a great balance of leaving specific area in an area void of accessories and furnishings. For a minimalist aesthetic bathroom, look with a powerful industrial feel, the usage of concrete may be the ideal option for you because you are able to match them up with the various other styles and textures in your bathroom layout. As a situation of reality, concrete floors are a natural choice. Natural woods are among the most famous substances in the luxury and minimalist design industry. Raw wood particularly has got the benefit of setting and getting a soft lingering fragrance, and also patinated brass has a warmth coming from age. When you are thinking of betting on a spa-like vibe on your minimalist bathroom design, which may be an invaluable resource turning to. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on minimalist bathroom designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. Minimalism interior design provides the feeling of an area that is neat and clean. Therefore, this particular design is ideal for the style associated with contemporary bathroom. Room bathroom style is indicated by a straightforward minimalist decor and bathroom furnishing with lines that are clean. The access is vacuumed as well as bathroom is always clean. You are able to set gorgeous accent through their wise use of substances, textures, colors anyway. Include an intriguing twist to the minimalist bathroom, a rustic touch, For instance, a minimalist and cool bathroom earns a bucolic touch out of the wood shelf, which can serve as the sink counter. A couple of potted plants put pop of color and a refreshing look. A contemporary bathroom includes grey walls, modern rustic shelves, wood-themed flooring, and charming rustic decoration. Extraordinary lighting installation with behind-the-mirror mod lamps and amazing silver pin drop lighting fixtures give the bathroom an edgy, modern plus captivating vibe. Take the monotony from your modern minimalist bathroom with an exceptional and sharp cabinetry. Cabinetry with warm wood tones of a minimalist bathroom can counter the grate of mainstream. Pristine white walls and grey and black accents. Marble is an elegant, timeless and beautiful bathroom feature. Adding marble for your minimalist and modern bathroom will instantly inject an elegant and luxurious look while maintaining the truly clean lines and uncluttered design of minimalism. A number of vintage pieces put into modern and bright bathroom interior give it a captivating and unique look. A contemporary bathroom with white walls and ceilings, grey patterned floor, a geometric chandelier, a set of old paned window and eye-catching vintage and also golden faucet assemble will complete your minimalist bathroom. Accessories and furniture with simple style can possibly enable you to obtain an area minimalist without being too sterile and empty. The couch is useful and usually without handles. Geometric shapes and symmetry are clearly normal to the minimalist decoration. Go for colors that are light like grey and cream. Play with various textures and shades. The bathroom appears to gather items faster compared to some other areas in the home. Half clear plastic bottles of shampoo lines the tips of the tub. Teeth brushes are tossed right into the cup beside hair products and the sink. Face creams along with ointment assemble in a bin under the sink. If this seems familiar, perhaps it is time to change your bathroom right into a minimalist oasis. Pick neutral colors like grey or white for walls space plus scatter additional neutral tones throughout the area as accents. This will keep the bathroom feeling open and bright, still in case you have zero window, and improves the natural light in case you have a little. A mess in a minimalist worst headache. The real key is to attaining a minimalist bathroom is eliminating the mess. This means no far more toothpaste tubes strewn over the counter, hairbrushes tossed directly into an overflowing basket, or maybe too much decor perched smartly on shelves. Although the wall space must be held pretty light, earning darker elements like dark hardware could recreate a bold statement without earning needless objects. Incorporating touches of concrete or wood to offset an all-white color bathroom adds warmth and texture to the bathroom while maintaining an easy visual. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on minimalist bathroom designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. If you want more design ideas on interior decoration and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram for more design ideas. Merely since you have additional storage area, it does not suggest you have to seal it completely. Keeping empty space clear and only using what you truly need is crucial to attaining minimalism within the bathroom. Anything you bring to your minimalist bathroom should be equally functional and beautiful. There is absolutely no space for items that do not serve a purpose. Make certain that also the basic things such as towel rack or maybe a soap bottle conduct their function beautifully. Bathrooms, no matter if they are on the bigger side, are not always the largest area, and if you throw in a bath or maybe a tub, a sink along with a toilet, then you get even smaller. Topping that with busy stone patterns, flooring along with ornate fixtures could be visual overload. On the other hand, you are able to have things completely clean and very simple with a minimalist look that can give itself a soothing getaway in which we really love spending our time. A gleaming white sink totally free of seldom used items along with toiletries, fresh sleek surface, little design. Not a toothbrush or container of hairspray or filthy towel on site. There are lots of fans of the design of less is more, or maybe minimalism in that the focus is positioned on a clean look and minimum elements. Nevertheless, it is really simple in the small modern bathroom to break the lovely appearance with needless details and accents. Consequently, we give you a couple of tips to keep the bathroom minimalist atmosphere and what sort of accessories to use. One of the greatest method is to get into the bathroom minimalist feeling of luxury and style is the plants. In bathroom with some spaciousness, include several plants that are tall and do not occupy much space and are going to become a center point. A bad thing that happens in decorating minimalist bathroom style is the sterile look. In order to help make the space a bit warmer, use products that are loaded with textures and that are in comparison with the glossy and smooth elements. This may be bin, wooden chair, and even old ladder for dangling bath towels. Frequently, the color belonging in the minimalist bathroom are white, cream, beige, grey, etc. You don't have to make excellent initiative to separate the monotony of these basic colors. Your bathroom is going to come alive with just few things in color. An addition way to bring the color to the basic bathroom is the usage of patterned material. It can easily stay in the form of mats or towels. Minimalism is not a style, it is actually a way of living. It is virtually cutting the majority from your life, not simply but simple and sleek home furniture, but additionally adopting a declutter strategy. And when there is no one particular location just where it will pile up, it is the bathroom. Bottle, towels, clothes appear to magically accumulate in sides and shelves. The bathroom is very easily among probably the smallest area in the house, and so skip additional accessories which make it appear to be cluttered and disorganized. Simply choose one or perhaps two decor pieces that will not crowd surfaces for a fresh and neat look. So friends, hope you like this video on minimalist bathroom designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website Interior Decor Designs and also check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration and design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download the app available on Play Store from the link in the description box. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.